Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tree Loves to Resale here on YouTube. And today I have, look, a THREADUP unboxing. And as you can see, I have not even opened it. So I actually have two boxes. I'm gonna start with this box and then I will go in the next box. Okay, so I paid $110 for this box, and it was a mixed, oh actually this is the only box. So I paid $110 and it was for the mixed men's clothing box. Oh yay! I ordered several things so I couldn't remember exactly what I had. So that's this one. And this is what it looks like. I'm gonna shine the camera down. This is what it looks like. Okay. And my area is a mess. Everything is a mess. I was listing earlier. So the first thing in this box, oh, cool. Ooh, great. A pair of Madewell skinny jeans. New with tag. Awesome. And these have the tag on them. And they are 36-34. Well, that's an awesome first thing. Oops, sorry. This box is like huge. Next item is a Colorado dry fit polo Nike, but it's nice. It says Colorado on it. It's okay, I'll take it. Next item, ooh, nice, is a pair of Patagonia men's shorts. They're a little faded, but that's okay. Extra large. And when I list these, I will just say a little faded, but really they look good. So far, I'm happy. Ooh, nice. This is a Nike hoodie, size large. Great. I'm liking this. Good stuff. This is bare bottom clothing. I don't know. It is a button up. You know what? I'm going to quickly look it up. Bare bottom clothing, button up shirt. See what this is. You just put the name in there, and I only found one, and it was a lot for 120. So I don't know. Maybe, let's see here, maybe bare bottom is 2 words. I don't know, but not sure, but I will have to do some research. But this is what this looks like. Hopefully it's good. Next item is another dry fit Nike Golf extra large polo. It's got this little item on it. I don't know what, but it's okay. It's a good size. Large is great. This is Faherty. I'm sure I didn't say that right. Extra large, kind of a thinner polo, striped. That's good. This is an OK brand, Tassa Elba, size large, plaid, but that's okay. Lots of good items so far. I am happy. Ooh, nice. And these are Nike, Air Jordan, extra large, dry fit pants, like jogger pants. So I'm interested to see, they need to be washed. So I'm gonna put those over there so I can wash them. Everything's nice and done in here, nicely folded. This is a Polo Ralph Lauren size large pullover. Nice, very nice, a very pretty green. So that's good, I'll take that. This is American Rag large t-shirt. It's kind of, I don't know. I probably won't list this. Maybe I'll give it to my husband to just wear around the house. It's kind of badly, a lot of wash wear. Another dry fit Nike zip up hoodie. Nice though. This one looks really nice. This is a size small. Very nice. Oh, great. This is a Madewell linen extra large button pullover. It's kind of like, it's not button up all the way. It's half button, but it's nice. And it's flannel. That'll go well. Let's see here. I am just grabbing stuff out. This is a St. John's Bay quick dry polo 2XL. Not, you know, not a huge brand, but the size is good. So this will sell, even if it only sells for, you know, $14, $15. That's still a good size. This is a Banana Republic silk cashmere size medium V-neck sweater. Nice. Silk cashmere blend, so that'll be nice. Even if it's only worth 20 bucks, that'll sell. This is J. Crew Mercantile Flex button up size medium. It's not bad. So this will have to be steamed. A lot of this will be steamed, washed. Extra large Nike Performance. This needs to be washed, and I don't know. We'll see. This might not get listed. Depends on if it comes clean. But it's nice. I have a couple more pair of pants. These are RVCA Daggers pant, size 32. I don't know that brand. Have you ever heard of that brand? Tell me in the comments if you have, please. They're like straight leg, skinny almost. They're khaki. I don't know. I'll research and see. Here's another pair of LOGG H&M skinny fit, size 34. Kind of like a khaki, like a chino. They'll sell. Maybe only for 15 or 20 bucks. So this is a FootJoy Dry Joy vest. Let's see what size. Extra large. It does have this little logo on it, but this stuff does sell, so it's okay. I'll take it. I'm not really a pant. I don't really care for pants. I don't really list pants a lot, but because I'm getting them, I guess I will. This is a size 34. They don't have a, doesn't have a brand in here. That's weird. They look kind of nice. And they look like a wool. Let's see here if I can find it. Machine wash, cool, iron, dry clean. Okay, so is it wash or dry clean? It's like a dress pant. Interesting. Flat pockets, I don't know. Maybe list them for 10 or 15. I don't know. I don't know what brand they are. It's hard to list if they're not a brand. It just makes it kind of hard. This is another extra, extra large. This brand. Let's see. I'm going to do a quick search for this brand. I think that this is a decent brand. Let's see. Yeah, comps look good. Button-up shirts, $24, $30. So flannels are listed for 20, like 27, 29, 32. Yeah, okay, good deal. Good deal. So at least 25. So that's great. I have 2 of those. So that's great. This is a nice jacket. It's a white Sierra, think outside, size large. Zip up like all-weather coat. It's pretty nice. It's got a hood. It's kind of an orangey rust color. Nice. This is nice. This will sell for sure. Boy, I think I want to get another one of these. This is pretty good. Especially if you have a problem getting out. Like I ordered these because I was like, you know, I'm really busy the next few weeks and it would be nice not to have to worry about sourcing. Just sourcing when I want to instead of having to. And this is in great condition, this one, and really nice and clean. I can just steam this up. Hood works, pockets. This is nice, and it's a good size. It is a size large, but it looks nice. I'm excited. This is a Banana Republic 100% merino extra fine size large pullover sweater. Nice, very nice. Even though it's bread and butter brands, it's nice fabric, especially going into the winter. This is like a Russell Athletic size medium. I'll probably not list this. This is kind of not worth anything. This is an A6 extra large kind of workout, like sleeveless tank. I'll list that. Oh, I see a couple pairs of shoes. This is a Gander Mountain 2XLT flannel. Nice. Buttons look like they're there. Doesn't look like any damage. Nice. Nice color blue. For sure. For sure list this. Pair of jeans. What brand? J. Crew Slim Straight 36-32. The zipper looks good. These will sell for sure. Dark wash. A Polo Nike Golf Dry Fit. Oh, it's got a D for Detroit. Purple striped. It'll sell, I'm sure. Size medium. And then 2 pairs of shoes. Oh, great. That's just exciting. This is a pair of Crocs. Men's Crocs, size 14. In very nice condition. Brand new. Don't even need to be clean. Those, let's see what these are worth. Size 14, you guys, is good because people are always wanting 14s. So these are in really nice condition. So, I can list these for between right around $30, I think. Okay, here's a pair very similar to these for $38.99. These are really nice. It has this adjustable type strap, and these are basically brand new. So these are the iconic Croc Comfort. So this is a little bit better at Croc. So that's great. That's fantastic right there. I would buy those for sure if I saw those. Now these are Sperry's Topsiders. They don't look in bad condition. I'll wash these up. These are a size 12. I'll list these, I'll shine these, I'll condition them, and I'll list them, even if I only get $15. So let me tell you what I'm going to list. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 27, and then I have 28, so 29 pieces that I'm gonna list, and I paid $120. So $4 each, that's not bad. That's not bad at all. $4. $4 an item. There was 2 things I'm not going to list, 2 things that I definitely have to wash. All of this stuff will be steamed. 2 items will be washed. The steaming does get out all the germs and makes everything look good. I prefer steaming over washing, actually, because steaming does get out all the germs and disinfectants. I'll spray everything first, then I'll steam everything. I'll wash the 2 items. I had several Madewell items, a jacket, several of the flannels. So yeah, so I definitely think that this was a great box. I definitely think that I'll definitely make my money back. Let's just say if I, on average, I get $20 an item. That will be $580 minus fees, minus the cost of goods. Yeah, so I'll definitely make money on this. You know, that's the chance that you take when you order these, but you do get stuff that you would normally not get. Like, I would never have found those Madewell jeans. I probably would have never found that nice jacket. Some of the brands, a lot of Nike, a lot of Nike Golf, a lot of Nike Dry Fit. I do find that brand, and that's a better bread and butter for me. But those were nice. Those were hoodies, flannels. So yeah, I really liked this box. I like getting the men's box. So yeah, so try it if you'd like. Try it. Down below will be my all my information. And yeah, so try it. If you need to get some a lot of inventory fast, you don't have to go shopping for this, so that's great. So yeah, so there you go. Thank you very much. And I do have some other ThreadUp hauls, and I have a couple more that I'm going to be filming. So thanks a lot for watching. Give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks. See you on the next one. Bye.